I'm cooking tonight my pasta, which is angel hair pasta, and the mussels with tomato and garlic sauce right there, and of course a sprinkle of white wine added with parsley and my cherry tomato and the garlic to saute. Right there, I already sliced my cherry tomato and chopped the parsley. Okay, and chop a little bit of red bell pepper and yellow. Okay, so this is our dinner for tonight. Okay, so let's turn on the heat. So hopefully it will come out good and delicious and yummy. Yummy. Welcome to Ricky Baby. Okay. Okay. So this is the garlic. Parsley cherry in the middle. It's gonna be a fast cooking.